today?
Mm-mm.
No snoring.
Yeah. Kaylee snoring.
Look at your little feet. Do they suck on your fingers?
She probably jacked it in.
Will it hurt?
No.
They don't have any teeth.
See, he's like, got steps in our nipple. Whoa, his eyes are gonna open.
Are they trying to open?
Yeah, I bet you. We'll see by the end of the week.
Quit moving.
He wants his mama.
Where do you want to go?
His eyes are gonna open soon.
Ooh,
Look at that one on his back.
Whoa. It's okay.
David, get that other girl and let her have some food.
She's sleeping.
Those boys are just savages.
See, she doesn't even know what's going on.
Oh, she can figure it out. There she goes. Oh, maybe.
Oh, she's digging her way through. It's a rough life. She can't find one. Only the strong survive.
She's tough.
I'm going to
She'll
get my
find
robe.